The 12-axis WF3212 rotary transfer machine is a truly unique multifunction machining center, designed to provide its clients with maximum efficiency and production speed in an easily controlled and highly customizable package. This is a machine which is specifically designed for 24-hour, very high production volume environments, and guarantees to maximize production throughput and minimize production costs. The specially designed servo bar feeder silently and accurately feeds the material into the first step of the process on the WF3212. It is securely grasped in the static spindle and cut to the correct machining length. Then it can proceed into the 6 front machining steps, one after the other. Then the workpiece is spun around and re-clamped in the spindle for the back machining steps. Before finally being ejected onto the rapidly mounting pile of completed units. Unlike other bar feeders, this model detects the end of each bar and ensures that there are no feeding issues with the final pieces. The individual steps and tools are of course easily customizable, and even the spindles can be swapped into different positions in a very short time indeed, and then brought back into production. To facilitate this, the WF3212 incorporates both reverse movement and 15-degree index steps to allow tool and spindle changeovers to be easily completed. No single or double spindle machining center can compete with the WF3212 on production volume. As all of the 12 spindles are constantly working on their individual production steps, the production rate is calculated by the machining time for the longest individual step, rather than the completion of all the steps, as would be the case with other machining centers. So, whilst a normal machining center could take a minute or more to make a piece such as this, the WF3212 can complete one of these in under 20 seconds. The simple per-spindle control interface on the WF3212 is another unique feature which simplifies operation and ensures that setup times for changeovers between workpieces are minimized and do not require specialized CNC operators. As you can tell, this machine is amazingly quiet and clean in operation. And, as well as being CE certified, it can also be tailored with additional fittings, such as fully enclosing railings to meet the needs of individual customers' safety requirements. The internal design ensures that there is constant oil cooling and lubrication for each spindle, workpiece, and even flushing of the internal walls of the machine to guarantee efficient operation and cleaning. Cooling is a key component for smooth, accurate machining, and the WF3212, both the hydraulic oil and the cooling fluid are temperature controlled, both heating and cooling, to ensure they always operate at the perfect temperature. Due to the large number of spindles, the coolant volume is also huge on this machine, and the oversized coolant tank and filter ensures a very high volume flow of coolant is maintained whilst efficiently filtering and collecting chip material for disposal. Ultra-high production speed, reliability and customizable design. These are some of the key features that make this machine a class leader for high-volume production environments. This is a machine that you can't afford to miss out on for competitive, super-fast component production.